Good morning. I'm in Pinery Provincial Park, and I have a friendly little pheasant. Oh, there's two. I didn't see that there was two. There usually is two. Oh, they're quiet now that I'm talking. Good morning. See if I can get them to talk back. Good morning. Haha. The best thing to wake up to. The sounds of nature. Good morning. My view. My coffee's almost done. I think the water's boiling. Let's take a look. Yep. Awesome. So I'm off to Indiana today to see my friends. Try with one hand. Oh, look at that. Oh, yeah. Almost like she's done that before. Ha ha. Now my whole van smells like coffee. Awesome. Well, I hope you're having a great morning. I am going to finish making coffee, get cleaned up, and then I'm on my way to Indiana to go play with my friends at Midwest. We're at Jasper County Fairgrounds. And if you want to see some cool vans and you're in a van, stop on by. Say one last bye-bye to my little pheasant friends. That was a very nice good morning. Hope you all have a wonderful day. Coffee cheers.